So today I'm actually going to Morocco and I have a couscous planned that I'm going to just quickly show you how I make it. That's boiling. I'm making this couscous with just 1 cup of chicken broth or veggie broth. If you prefer to keep it vegetarian, do some veggie broth, and lemon zest of 1 lemon, which I've washed my lemon and it's all ready, and I'm just going to put in the chicken broth while it's going, right? And don't go too far, it makes it bitter. I'm just going to go round. Doesn't have to be perfect, but all right. And then we're going to cut it in half, and then we're going to put that juice of that lemon in the broth. Okay, so you see that? You just put the juice of that lemon. And then these lemons are being strong today. All right. So this just about bring to a boil. As soon as it's boiled, we're going to add this. And in the meantime, I'll turn this on very, very low. Right, I'm going to add this. As soon as you add your couscous, you're going to put a lid on it and forget about it for 5 minutes. And I'll show you how it comes out after. All right, so I'm going to add this now. It looks like it's way too much liquid, but you will see how it comes out. All right, we're going to stir it. And we're going to turn it off. Do a quick pinch of salt. Turn it off and lid it. And I'm going to show you exactly how it comes out in 5 minutes. All right. Now this is your couscous after, you see it's really light and fluffy. And I just added chopped fresh parsley in there. It was lovely and fluffy. All right, so that's one. Now I'm going to show you a marinade. It's a big marinade, but it's actually very, very delicious. Right, again, we're going to do juice of 1 lemon. I know it's Moroccan recipes, there's lots of lemon and things like that in there. Okay, I've done half of one here, and I'm going to do the other half. Right. Okay, choose 2 tablespoons of ground cumin, 2 of them. Now it's good to marinate this for at least an hour. I mean, if you could do overnight, I did mine overnight. 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. Okay, I haven't got ground ginger, but I do have fresh ginger. So we're just gonna like kind of wing it and do some fresh ginger in there. One teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And brown black pepper. And that is a half. So I'm just going to do half there. And then finally, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2. All right. So there's your marinade. It smells really, really good. Oh, I didn't put garlic. 6 cloves of garlic. Sorry, girls. Right. Quickly do the garlic. It's a lot of garlic. This is for like 4 chicken thighs. And as I mentioned, you can leave these chicken thighs overnight if you can. See that marinade there? Yummy. It smells really good. Right. So my pan is hot. I'm just going to get this started and I'll show you the end results now. But I marinated this overnight. Okay. And I'm going to put in the pan. See that sizzle? And the smells are so freaking good. Now you got to make sure this is fully cooked, internal temperature of 165 degrees, okay? So I'm going to let that cook away. Now let me show you my final, all right? This is the final product. So there's your couscous with your chicken. And the water of the week is actually orange and ginger.